Bom dia! 2023, here we come. We're excited to see what the new year has in store for us. We wish you a happy, joyous, and profitable new year. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It'll be fun. Vicer Divertido.
Happy New Year. Bye.
We are in Funchal, Portugal for the New Year celebrations and fireworks. Bringing in the New Year here is a spectacular event, with cruise ships docked in the harbor and out at the sea to see the show. Fireworks are launched from 58 stations all around and in the harbor of Funchal. Viewing the show from the harbor, the sea, or from one of the many rooftop views is sure to be a wonderful sight. The fireworks celebration made the Guinness Book of World Records in 2006. So come on and enjoy the festival lights along the harbor, stay for the 8-minute long show and the grand finale. And in case you are new to our channel, or you thought I might have forgot, I am Alan. I am here with my wife Leslie, our son Wolf, our dog Greer, and Rex the cat. We are from the United States and now live in Portugal on the beautiful Island of Madeira. We would like to thank all our subscribers for being here and would appreciate it if you please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will receive notifications of our new videos if you've not already done it. Portuguese traditions for the New Year's are fun. So to get started, put on your blue underwear. Be prepared to eat 12 raisins, making a wish for each month of the new year. Money, money, money. Don't go into the new year empty-handed. Fill your pocket with money. Set yourself up for a profitable new year. You can't forget this one. With money in hand, climb up on a chair using your right foot. If you drink too much, you may need a little help from your friends. We are viewer supported. If you enjoy our videos, we invite you to join our Patreon community.